out again. It's a redskin.
Step number 1. Windows Start button. Search Run. Run. Write temp. Then OK. Select all file. Ctrl A. Then delete. Try again. Okay, step number 2. Then start button. Then type R temp file. Then right now type %. Then type temp. Then %. Okay. Select all. Ctrl A. Then delete. Click. Do this for all current items. Skip. Unnecessary file. Delete. Then type 3. Windows button and R. Type purchase. PREFETCH. Then OK. Ctrl A. Delete all. Your PC speed up. Then number 4. Open system drive C. Right click properties. Then open disk cleanup. Right click, left click double. Then clean up system file. Unnecessary file delete, no problem. Then write temporary file. Okay, clean up. Wait few seconds or few minutes. Very quickly work, and then all process done. After speed up your PC, Windows 10, Windows 7, any Windows, no problem. Just wait and see. Then click unclickable this file, but you can click temporary file. Okay, then delete. Unnecessary file delete. Okay, right now too much speed up your PC. Okay, this video end. Till then, take care and bye bye, and subscribe, comment this channel. Tata.